So with all the craziness that's been going on in the world since January, February, and when it all kicked off in March, I can't believe we're in August. It's absolutely crazy, and it's been a whirlwind year. A lot of people are saying about writing it off, but I think it's a really good opportunity to understand what we can learn from this year. And specifically, I've been thinking about how lucky I am and appreciating the small things. So I didn't necessarily intend to film that to make that short video, but I had recorded it for me. And it was all recorded on my iPhone, and I was sat looking through the footage. I thought, wouldn't it be nice to put that together and just to share it? And if this helps you in some small way, then fantastic, let me know in the comments. And spread the love, spread the word, because we're all in this together and we can all help each other. It's important not to underestimate the impact that we can have on other people, good and bad. Let's do it for some good. See you next time. Peace.